Hi, Paul McVay here, obscure woodworker guy from Ohio who sells his stuff on eBay. Unboxing video. Yes, we've all seen the videos where the kiddies open up boxes of iPods, iPhones, and other kinds of fancy techno stuff. Well, oh my gosh, where's my hat? I don't like to do videos without hats. So, anyways, yes. What do you need, Helen? I'm doing a video right now. Millions of people can see this right now. Anyways, what happened the other day was a tragedy. My belt sander, my stationary belt sander, died on me. So my wife ended up spending money we don't have to get me a new one. Like I said, we don't have money for it, but my wife, what do you want? I'm shooting a video. Can I just do the video? Why are you slapping yourself on the forehead? Okay, this is what happens. I have 8 kids, so this is the kind of action that happens to me when I'm not woodworking. Sometimes while I'm woodworking. And my string to my hat is backwards. Alright. There. Okay. So, back to this unboxing video. So, my belt sander went out, and I was feeling horrible about it. And my wife, I told her what happened and stuff. And like I said, we don't have money for it. But my wife knows that I'm kind of working on a dream here. Trying to sell the things I make out of wood to people and, make money from it to pay for bills and things like that. So, she knows I've been working hard. I'm 3 weeks old now on this internet stuff. I didn't know anything about it. I taught myself this stuff. So, I've been working really hard, and she felt bad, so she got me this. Hold on, I got to get something to help open up the plastic. I'll be right back. Let's see. Hold on. Okay. Alright, my daughter said to pull my pants up because they tend to droop down and, the plumber thing going on. But I shouldn't be saying this on the movie? I said it. I guess my 6-year-old daughter said I shouldn't have said that on the TV. Now she's putting her hand on her forehead again. So just forget I said anything about my pants sagging and having to fix them, and my 6-year-old daughter telling me to fix them. So, anyways, my wife put a bow on it. Like I said, I love my wife. She's like, you gotta have it. Because what I do is, when I shape the paddles for my turkey calls, I will just run a belt sander and hold the wood against it and kind of shape it against the moving sanding belt. And I use it for a lot of other things, flattening boards and things like that. So she knew that when my other one died, it was bad for me because it's a big part of what I do. So I'm going to open this. Got the bow, pretty bow my wife put on there. She's so nice. And let's see here. I got something to open it with, box opener. And let's open it up. Let's see. What should I be doing now? Sorry, apparently the producer of this show now is my daughter. What? What? Yeah, babe. Let me turn it around.
Yeah.
There we go. I got it open now. So, inside, big piece of styrofoam stuff. Take that out. Oh, wait, let me grab the camera. Okay. Styrofoam stuff. Ugh. Trying to do this one-handed. Oh no, I broke the styrofoam. Ah. Say action? Oh, like in the movies? Oh, action. So, oh, let's see. There it is. Oh my gosh, it actually has sandpaper on it. That's cool. All right, let me set this thingy up. Fancy word for camera, thingy. All right, let's see, where am I? So, get the styrofoam out of the way. Oh, no, my hat just fell down around there. I don't know. I'm trying to work on this video, honey. Ugh. There, this here is for the disc sander part, which is right here. That's a support there, a little cable for that. It's got a little slot for a miter gauge. Oh! Woo! That was almost bad what I did. Jillian, can you help grab this box?
Yep.
Okay. Grab it out from there. Thank you. Can you grab the styrofoam? Pop it off the bottom.
Yep.
We're not. Okay. I'll end up getting that off of there. Let's see. Miter gauge. Little miter gauge thing. Boy, this thing is really wedged in the styrofoam. Well, you know what? There's another table. Or is that a stop for the back of the belt sander? I don't know. Can't tell you yet. I think this goes on the back of it, maybe. Originally, they usually come with little stops. So, let's see. How in the devil do I... get this out of here.
Knife.
Knife? I should cut my way out.
Oh no, we're not.
Okay. Whew. Okay. Wow. Okay, got that out of there. Got the styrofoam out of there. Let me grab this other piece of styrofoam. Punk my kid on the head with the styrofoam. Got an Allen wrench and a couple of funky screws, bolts. I can't remember what you call them. It's a technical name, but I forget right now. So I never use them, but it's probably for mounting the mounting the little table there. Okay, so let's take a look. Oh my gosh, it's already got sandpaper on the sanding disc and on the
top.
Yes, top. Thank you. The belt sander. It's already got a belt and a disc, so that's rad. I'm gonna have to mount this here on the side, and there's a little hole. Putting that in there. One hole that's for it to pivot on, and then the other one you would put the screw or whatever. Probably has a little nodule or something there to, probably in here actually, a little knob, so that you can tighten it and adjust this at different angles for bevels and things. So, but I don't know, I see people do these unboxing videos and I'm like, well, maybe people actually like watching that stuff. So figured I'd show you me unboxing this. I brought it into the kitchen just to do this, so now I'm going to carry it back out to the garage in my shop to use it. But let's So, thank my wife very much. Love her much. Thank you guys for watching. And eventually, well, in the near future, you're going to be able to purchase something that this machine has helped me make. Because, like I said, I use it for shaping things. I hold on to my work and I'll push it against the sandpaper and get curves and things like that. But thanks for watching, guys, and take care of yourselves. If you like the video, thumbs up with the little hand thing. Subscribe, leave a comment or something. I'm Paul McVay. I'm gonna go out there and get to work. Thanks for watching. Bye.